Change a BlueAir filter with me. If you're watching this, I'm sure you already know and love the BlueAir 311. But when you get it, it comes with a filter in it. And you do need to change that filter out every 6 months, so let's change it out. First thing you'll want to do is twist off the top. It comes right off cleanly, and then it has this little plastic piece that is important to put in correctly to slide it all back together. And then you'll just need to take off the fabric exterior. Now this piece can get pretty dirty, and you can certainly wash it throughout the 6 months, or just vacuum it, or even replace it with different colors. And then here is the main piece. The filter just slides right off the honeycomb base, and there you have it. Now I would give the base a quick rinse and definitely replace this filter. You could see how dirty my filter was. Just insane the difference that 6 months can make. I have an air quality monitor as well, and I can really see the difference when I run my BlueAir filters. I love them so much. So let's install this beautiful white new filter. I've already cleaned the exterior honeycomb, so everything is clean because I don't want to touch this for another 6 months. It just slides right on. Now this little plastic piece, you really do need to pay attention and hook it in the notches. And then you'll just slide the main piece right on the top. Now in general, you'll usually want to put the fabric on before you slide the top piece on. That is a little easier to do, but it's really fast however you decide to do it. So now I'm going to flip it over and slide that piece of fabric on. Again, you can get lots of different colors. You can wash these, you can vacuum them, and keep them clean in multiple ways without having to remove them. Once I have it all the way on, I'll hide the cord inside the Velcro backing, and there you have it. I don't have to touch this for another 6 months.